Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. I just did a diagnostic on a Nissan Rogue. Customer said that their vehicle engine was rebuilt. I look for telltale signs of the engine being rebuilt. Like, it's straight basic. Why is the oil filter still dirty? If you rebuilt the whole engine, you're going to put new oil in there, and you should put a new oil filter. All the parts look OEM. It didn't look like anything was disturbed, except the valve cover gap. The valve cover itself was brand new. The customer had oil just pouring out from the block, and I literally asked her, is it under warranty? And they said they would not honor it. What I tell people, if you're having a major repair, take some white paint and just paint over different areas. Paint on the bolts. If it's been done, the paint should be moved or off completely. Like if you're getting your transmission replaced, have a little marker somewhere only you would know that's white, and you can go check it out. There's a lot of people saying they're doing things just to get money, but they're not really doing it. I'm actually here for you customers, 100%. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, I have exclusive videos for people who want to get in the mobile mechanic business. If you want to make $60,000, $70,000 with your eyes closed, you can go to my exclusive videos, choose on which one you want to do, and then you can see the videos. And they are step by step, holding your hand from starting what you should do to start the business plan, all the way down to the documents. All that's going to be in the description of this video. And I also do one-on-one consultations. I've been doing this for over 30 something years in the military and the civilian sector. Everybody does what they do differently, but what I do is I pay attention to the data in my bank account. With that being said, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.